Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Lucky Plays, and today we're going to be playing Minecraft. And I'm going to be showing you how to tame a wolf. So we're going back to my creative world where I made my enchanted bow. Okay. Okay, so what you want to do is... Okay. So what you want to do is go into your, where you pick your items, and then you would go set up bone. It would come up with bone. And then you set up wolf. Yeah. Okay, then you get the bone. Ah, that was by accident. Yeah, now it's your pet. Imagine if there's a wolf pet at your house and it would protect you. Sorry. The baby ones are cute. What they'll go. Okay.